Kill too technical. So as you can see, kind of people over at UAG, they were kind enough to send me out their Plyo case for the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So this has 16 feet drop tested, Miller 3X built magnet, compatible with magnet accessories. So it's not in the box because this is the case I have been rocking on my S26 Ultra. So this is the look and the feel you're going to get. So if you turn it over to the sides, you get your buttons, volume up and down button. It's nice and clicky, no problem. You do get your power button, nice and clicky, no problem there. You do get some grip on the sides, so you do not have to worry about this sliding out of your phone. Although I have dropped this phone twice in this case already. You do get a lanyard loop if that's something that you are into. At the bottom here, you do get all the cutouts that you're supposed to have. Turn it on this side, you get nothing but some for grip. To the top, nothing. You do get a nice lip, but if you're someone out there that's still worried about lip protection, get your screen protector. This is the UAG screen protector that I'm also rocking on my S26 Ultra. But if you get your screen protector and place your phone flat down on the table, you will have nothing to worry about, no problem there. Coming over to the back, you do get a nice cutout for your camera. So if you place your phone flat on the cameras, you should be good to go. You do get that MagSafe capable ring there. So you can do wireless charging, and then you can use your MagSafe capable products to charge also. As you can see, it's charging up just fine. Let's put this MagSafe ring on there. See if that will fall off. Nope. As you can see, it's hanging on pretty good, so no problem. So you do get a strong magnet there. I will take you over to their website so you can see how much this case will run you if this is a case that you are interested in getting for yourself. I will make sure I drop a link in the description also. But when you go to their page, let's type in S26 Ultra. This is the Plyo. Okay, so this case comes in 3 different colors. Like I have the blue ombre color, so it's like blue here and then white. Then you get the black clear ombre color. Then you just get the ice silver. I wish they would have sent me that because I'm a sucker for clear cases, but it is what it is. So you get 3 cases. This case is $59.95. But right now, if you go pick it up right now, you'll get 10% off. So I'll make sure I drop a link in the description to where you can go pick this case up for yourself. And I hope you found this video helpful, because I will catch you in the next one. I'm out.